kuan karon with the arising issues lagi nga akong state from the war on drugs, the poverty faced by the people of the Philippines. My question is, may pag-asa pa ba ang Pilipinas?
Caraga State University, good morning!
Heard you missed us, now here we are. Guess who's back?
Dahil tayo masusunod sa eleksyon sa 2028, hindi lang bitang hawak natin. Hawak mo ang vote!
Wake up the people, shake it out. Bump up the volume, it's time to get loud. La 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 la.
Pagdating sa hustisya, pagdating sa pananagutan, wala dapat tayong kulay. Lahat tayo dito, Pilipino.
We did it again.
Welcome to Caraga State University, Team Pinas, and to all 300 Golden Paddlers or Caraga State University students.
3, 2, 1. We did it again. We do it. We do it. We do it every time. La, 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 la. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.
Gen Zenials! So, sinasabi namin sa Team Pinas, we have the collective responsibility and that's why we're doing the Gen Zenial Tour. Ang Gen Zenial Tour, hindi lang para kami mag-lecture, ay dito kami para makinig sa inyo. Ano yung gusto nyong magyari? Ano yung mga saloobin ninyo? At iikutin namin to sa buong Pilipinas na hopefully, pagkaalis namin dito sa Caraga State University, ay magkakaroon tayo ng pro-youth na grupo na ang pinaglalaban lang ay hindi kahit sinong politiko, kundi ang interes ng kabataan at ng Pilipinas. Okay ba yon?
Remember that a single voice can spark awareness, but a connected community creates lasting impact.
Akala natin na ang pinakamataas na level ng youth participation ay bata ang masusunod o kabataan ang masusunod. Sa pag-aaral, youth and adult-led partnership ang pinaka-importante.
Sometimes again, you need to be humble and understand your own opinion, your paniniwala. Kasi iba yung truth ko, iba yung truth nyo.
If we get them to see our vision and to believe in us, I think we can be the spark that lights up the change that we want to see in this very, very dark world.
Importanteng paninindigan din natin sa Bantay Senado na walang ibang dapat maging batayan yung ating mga senator judges. This is an impeachment court. Dapat ang batayan ay ebidensya, ebidensya.
This Gen Zenial Tour helps me to enlighten and every issues here in the Philippines.
Our words have the unique power to inspire others, spark real change, and shape a better country or better world.
So kung ang tanong mo, may pag-asa ba? It will largely depend on you. You have to mobilize, you have to campaign, you have to work hard to make sure that you will elect the right candidates for this country. So the question is, may pag-asa ba? Nasa sa inyo yan, magkikita-kita tayo sa 2028.
In order to see the change that we want in our government, we have to be a part of the solution.